Good morning, students. In this period, I am going to solve exercise 3.3. In previous class, I had solved some problems 1 and 2 number. Now in question number 3, we are asked to form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. For solving substitution method, we at first express y in form of y. We represent express y in form of x. So the question is, the difference between two numbers is 16 and one number is 3 times the other. Let greater number be 3 number. Exercise 3.3. Let the greater number be bx and the smaller number by. We are given two numbers whose difference is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Two conditions. From condition 1, we are given the difference between two numbers is 26. So x minus y is equal to 26, equation 1, and from condition 2, one number is 3 times the other. One number x is equal to 3 times the other, 3y. From solving substitution method, we express x in form of y, putting x is equal to from equation 2. From equation 2, I'm putting x is equal to 3y in equation 1. In equation 1, x minus 3y minus x y is equal to 26. Yeah, 2y is equal to 26. Yeah, y is equal to 26 by 2 is equal to 13. Since the value of one variable is equal to 13, now we put the value of y in equation 2. X is equal to 3y. On putting y is equal to 13, in equation 2, x is equal to 3 into 13 equal to 39. Hence numbers are 39 and 13. To verify this problem, we put the value of x and y in equation number 1. We have x minus y equal to 26. Here, the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Let the greater number be x and the smaller number be y. First condition says that difference between two numbers is 26, so we can write as x minus y is equal to 26. Therefore, x is equal to, and second condition is one number is 3 times the other number. X is equal to 3y. Equation number 2. On putting x is equal to 3y in equation number 1, we have 3y minus y is equal to 26. Here 2y is equal to 26. Therefore, y is equal to 26. Y is equal to 26 by 2 बराबर 30. On putting y is equal to 13 in equation 2, x बराबर 3y, x बराबर 3y या x is equal to 3 into 13 बराबर 39. Hence one number is 39, greater number, and the smaller number is 13. Now in question in 2, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. We are given two supplementary angles in which larger number exceeds the smaller number by 2. Let the larger number be larger angle be x and the smaller number be y. Then larger number of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Then we can write x is equal to larger number exceeds the smaller number by 18. So x is equal to y plus 18, and we know that if sum of two angles is 180 degree, then the angles are supplementary angles. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. From one, putting the value of x in equation 2. In equation 2, we have x is equal to y plus 18, y plus 18 plus y, because value of x is equal to y plus 18 given in equation number 1. So putting this value in equation number 2, we get y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180, या 2y plus 18 is equal to 180. या 2y बराबर 2y is equal to 180 minus 18 is equal to 162, या y is equal to 162 by 2 is equal to 81. Hence one angle is 81 degree. Now putting the value of y in equation number, putting the value of y in equation number value of y in 1, putting the value of y in equation number 1, hence angles are 99 degree and 81 degree. To verify this problem, we put the value of putting sum of 99 degree and 81 degree is equal to 180 degree, and it is verified. Now two number of question number 3. Question number 3. The larger angle exceeds the smaller number by 18. We are given two supplementary angles, and one larger number is greater than one larger number exceeds the smaller number by 18. We are given, so we can write in this way: x is equal to y plus 18, because larger number be x and a smaller number be y. X is equal to y plus 18, and x plus y barabar 180, because sum of two supplementary angles. If sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angle. So we can write x plus y is equal to 180. For solving substitution method from 1 in equation number 1, x, we put the value of x in equation number 2. If we put the value of x in equation number 2, we have y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180, या 2y plus 18 बराबर 180. Interchanging the sides, 2y is equal to 180 minus 18 बराबर 162, या y is equal to 162 by 2 बराबर 81. Now putting the value of y in equation number 1, x is equal to 99. Hence, the greater angle is 99 degree and the smaller number is 81 degree. Now, we are going to solve one more question of this exercise. Next day, you can try to solve the questions from this exercise. Only 2, 3, 4 questions are left in this exercise, and in next class I will solve your problem. Thank you.